Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning, afternoon, or evening. This is another Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. Now I'm bringing you just 1 minute, but you grab yourself 30 minutes free, completely one-to-one. Come over to ldlcall.com, book your slot, and we can have that chat. But first, here's your quote for today. Happiness is like jam. You can't spread even a little without getting some of it on yourself. Happiness is one of those magical feelings that can happen instantly or disappear just as quick. Being able to spread happiness, laughs and joys is another huge talent that takes time to master. It's spreading the happiness to others where you can really get covered yourself. A smile is contagious and can't be stopped. Happiness is the same. Spread that stuff and you can't help but be affected.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.